Are you guys ready for a summer bop? Because it's about to get lit!
More.
Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm Niharika.
And my name is Omisha and welcome back to our channel.
So today we'll be reacting to none other than the nation's girl group itself, TWICE Twice. Woo! So today Twice had a comeback after almost 8 months, which is a very long amount of time. And they have released a new album called More and More, which is also their lead single. And their last comeback was Feel Special, which was completely different from this comeback. As you all know, Feel Special was more of a classy, elegant, rich looking concept, whereas More and More seems to be like a summery, tropical, like a Hawaiian vibe. It gives more of a Hawaiian vibe. Yesterday, JYP released an album preview which showed us a glimpse of all the songs, and when I heard More and More, I was really mesmerized by the song and I can't wait to listen to it and enjoy it.
So my most favorite girl group is finally back, and it's the legendary Twice. Twice finally had a comeback with their title track called More and More, and I think this has been the longest break between their comebacks. Their last comeback, Feel Special, was I think 8 or 9 months ago, and that was an absolute bop. I love that song so much. I actually love all the Twice songs. So yeah, and I know I'm gonna love this more because I've seen the teasers and it just looks absolutely phenomenal, and it's gonna break records. But yeah, I've seen both the teasers. I've seen the dance break one and I've seen the very first teaser, and it sounds so good. And the dance break is awesome because Momo is in the front, and we all know she's a good dancer, and all of the Twice are actually very good dancers. Okay, so enough of rambling, and let's watch Twice's More and More music video. Before we move on to the reaction, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And let's watch Twice's More and More music video in 3, 2, 1. Let's just be ready to get our mind blown. Mina in the center. Oh god, all of them are looking so pretty. I love Sana's dress.
The rabbits! Damn. To be honest, beautiful is an understatement for Twice because they're just so gorgeous. Look at them!
Oh, there's a snake.
No, I want it. 입에 바른 소린 이제 그만할게. Cause I
This
deserve
set is so beautiful.
Yes, you deserve the whole world.
내가 미워지더라도 걱정 안 할게.
Mina is looking
Cause
so
I know
pretty.
you, I know you. 내 눈을 자꾸 피해봐. 네 맘을 자꾸 숨겨봐.
Okay, Queen of the Jungle.
She's so beautiful.
So trippy.
These visual effects are so cool.
Such a beautiful shot.
More.
Oh, the drum. Okay.
What is this job? I really like it.
I love the choreo. Yeah.
That was such a good job. I'm really enjoying it. The song is already a bop. Nice looking spiders. This music video is so trippy. Here it comes.
More.
멈추지를 못해 그러니 한 번 더
Guys, I just wanna dance.
그러니 한 번 더
Oh, the dance break.
Go Queen! Ah!
Looks like a rave party kind of set. Like a music festival.
난 원래 욕심쟁이
어,
몰랐다면
랩 파티
사과는
아니에요?
미리하게
The rap?
뭘 의견은 필요 없어 훔칠 거야 닉맘 내게 울리게 될걸 이렇게 say no no 난 도둑고양이 오늘만은 널꼭 잡으러 왔으니까 딱 기다려 너 멀리 가지 말고 다시 내게 come come yeah 한 번 더
Did you hear that high note?
멈추지를 못해
I really like this song.
그러니 한 번 더
Nina is wearing some type of crown and she looks so beautiful. Look at it.
그러니 한 번 더
I love
More.
this little set which they have on water. The apple just fell, like someone ate it and it just fell. That's it.
This might just be my favorite comeback of 2020. Twice has served with the vocals, the visuals, the drop, the dance, and I just wanted more of it. But this song is a bop. It's a summer bop. It just straight up gives paradise summer vibes. This is a song I will listen to every day, every summer, probably forever, because it's so good. And I'm so proud of Twice because they are maturing with every comeback, and every comeback just sounds better and better than the previous comeback. And I just loved it so much. I'm literally having a breakdown inside my head, and I literally don't know what to say because I loved this song so much. Everybody was looking so pretty. I feel like Geo and Nayeon had lesser lines than they usually do, but I'm not complaining because it gave other members to shine as well. And I loved Momo and Zui singing. I feel it was quite a fair line distribution. I love the concept and I cannot wait to see the whole dance video of this because the formations just look incredible and they're just so stunning. And I just love Twice so much. Everybody just looked so beautiful. I love Geo's hair, I love Momo's hair, the silverish blonde hair, Geo's pink hair, Sana's orange hair. I mean, everyone just looked so pretty and the stylists have done a really good job of styling them. The sets and the effects, I think the editor has used all the effects out there because this song, the music video was trippy as hell. Oh god, this song is gonna be on repeat and I literally have nothing to say. All I'm gonna go and do is listen to this song on repeat, and I'm not gonna babble a lot and I'm just gonna end my comments here. Go stream the song, guys. This song is amazing. I love it so much.
So let's just first talk about their set because oh my god, that set was goals, like literal goals. Like from the very first scene to the very last scene, everything was just so mesmerizing and amazing. Like I just couldn't take my eyes off the sets. Like this time I literally wasn't focusing on the girls. I was just looking at all the background and the set and the animals. Like wow, it seemed like a fairy tale to me. It was so beautiful. I wish I was there with them, like to just enjoy it, the set. So beautiful. Also, JYP definitely did his homework and he definitely knows how to make Twice feel special about themselves, and he knows how to make Twice give their 100%. And their outfits, their hair colors, their vocals, Chaeyoung and Nayeon's rap, so good, so good. Like, even their music, it gives off such summery vibes. I mean, of course, it's meant to be a summer song because duh. The song has such catchy beats. The drop itself is so cool. I was expecting more of a, hardcore maybe? Hardcore music. Like, you know how Twice's music is. But this song was completely different, and I just can't get over this song anytime soon because the drop itself made me go crazy, and the beats are amazing, so catchy. Like, I would definitely listen to it for the whole year, and what am I even talking about? I'll listen to it for lifetime. This song is that super good and cool and amazing and everything great in this universe. Even the visual effects they had, like, wow! And I am a sucker for their choreography this time because those moves were some lit moves, and I'm definitely gonna learn this choreography and perform it. Maybe give you a glimpse of it. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I might post a cover of it, so stay tuned. No promises though. So yeah, this was Twice's More and More, and it was a literal bop. You can't deny it because it was that amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also comment down below which videos you would like us to react to next. Until next time, bye!